see you.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whoever's watching this for the first time. So, if this is your first time seeing me on everyone's pages, because it's not only one page, it's everyone's page. So, let me introduce myself. I am Mads, and I'm a graphic designer by profession and a proud digital business owner like these ladies here. And I currently live here in Qatar with my family, with my parents for over 2 decades now. So, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. At kung ngayon isang graphic designer by profession and again proud digital business owner na nakabase dito bilang OFW sa Middle East sa bansang Qatar, na kasama ang aking mga magulang na naninirahan na rito ng 2 dekada. So ang mission ko ay tinutulungan ko ang mga kapwa OFW, expats at professionals na magsimula ng legit na online business na may integridad para makabuo sila ng steady income stream at makapamuhay ayon sa kanilang passion, minus the financial stress. So kung ikaw ready ka na mawala sa paulit-ulit na siklo at magdisenyo ng buhay na may layunin, usap tayo. Back to you, Dana.
Thank you, Mads.